You think I'm just gonna do it like this without a couch? Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Bring in the couch. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's more like it. What kind of set would this be without furniture? And what kind of apartment would you have without furniture? It was already a pain in the ass finding a place, signing a lease, and moving, but that's not even half the battle. Now, unless you want to invite a Tinder date over to Netflix and sit on the floor, you're going to need to get your place some furniture. Sounds expensive, but not necessarily. In this lesson, we'll cover a couple ways to budget for apartment furniture. The cost of furnishing an entire apartment all at once, it can add up. And if you thought your monthly rent payment was a lot, just wait until you see how much it's going to cost for a bed, a couch, a table, and that's just the bare minimum. I mean, what's a bed without a bed frame? The point is, the cost of all of those can add up real fast. Here are 2 things you can do to affordably furnish your new apartment. Thing 1, find the free. This one may be obvious, but it is the cheapest method. Get hand-me-downs from family and friends if they're in the area, or even browse Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or thrift stores. You'll be surprised how many people are willing to give stuff away if you're willing to come take it off their hands for them. You know that friend of yours with a big truck? Be nice to them, buy them dinner, get on their good side now. Because I can't really fit a new couch in my Camry. Doesn't work out like that. Yeah, you won't get the hippest furniture, but the whole granny chic thing is a big trend right now. Use those vintage pieces in a creative way, watch some YouTube tutorials, and refurbish them. If you use this method to fill up your apartment space, you won't have to spend a ton of money and can still get trendy pieces if you put in the work. Thing 2, rent furniture. Finding free things might save you some cash, but there are things that you'll be using daily, and you're going to want them to be comfy, and you might not want them to be in a pre-loved condition. I'm talking the mattress. I'm talking the couch. I'm talking big ticket items. Rather than blow your entire budget on these, did you know that you can rent and pay a fraction of the price upfront to get everything you'll need? You'll have small monthly payments and the option to put your payments towards owning the items over time when you use companies like Furnish. If you have roommates, you can rent the items that you'll use in your shared spaces. Everyone can contribute equally the same way you would with a monthly utility bill. The cost of getting a sofa, table, and chairs, and some decor ends up being less than your electric bill. And it doesn't have to always be big items. It could be small items too, like a very nice lamp or a very expensive pillow. Why not? So rather than save up money to live in luxury later, why don't you live in luxury now and save up during that? Plus, you'll have the flexibility when someone moves out to decide whether to continue renting, return, or even buy things out individually. Oh, and here's one of the best parts about furniture rentals. You'll get free delivery and assembly and free pickup and free move at the end of your initial subscription period. I mean, take advantage of that. You won't have to rent a truck, pay a TaskRabbit, and that is expensive, or bribe your friends with pizza when it comes time to move. It's also kind of nice to know that you don't need to make a forever choice on any of the things either, like this couch. I'm kind of bored. So maybe you go granny chic and find some free stuff to refurbish or go the renting route. Either way, you've got options to ensure you won't be sitting on the floor watching that new Netflix rom-com.